Good morning, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. So we have a ton of announcements before we get started into this video. So I got a new phone, and I have no idea if y'all can tell the camera quality difference on this video versus like my other videos that I've done in the past. But as y'all can see, like everything is just more zoomed out, I would say. Like you can see like everything from like a clearer point of view, and I love it so much. I love it so much, y'all. Like I can tell the quality on this is just top tier, and I love it so much. Also, my hair, what do we think about my hair? So in all honesty, when I was taking out these flexi rods, like the curlers in my hair, I was like, yeah, it just doesn't look good. But when I started to unravel the curls, I actually started to like them. I was like, okay, it's not bad. It's not really my favorite right now, kind of. We could like, you know, separate them a bit more, but it is what it is. I like it. So yeah. And also got my nails done too, super duper pretty. I know that I usually film like a beauty maintenance vlog for you guys, like doing hair and nails, but just for this month I didn't really feel like doing it because, you know, I was really tired, and you know, I just wanted this to be, you know, all about me and not about filming. So definitely next time I will do my regular beauty maintenance vlog like normal, like doing hair and nails, but just for this time didn't want to do it. All right, so to get right into the topic of discussion, what kind of baby animals would I most love to be surrounded by? So I think this is such an easy question to answer because, you know, baby animals are just the cutest thing, and I feel like there are a lot of baby animals that you could choose from because there are a lot of animals obviously on this earth. But I decided on 4 baby animals that I would love to be surrounded by. So the first baby animal that I would love to be surrounded by is puppies. So basically baby dogs. And I just think that puppies are just the cutest thing. I mean, I don't know who doesn't like puppies. Like I understand not liking like the bigger version of that baby animal, like I get it, but like if it's like, you know, baby like puppies, for example, like I don't know how people wouldn't like them. Like dogs, I can understand how people can be afraid of dogs, but puppies, come on now. I feel like everyone loves puppies. But yeah, I think just being surrounded by, specifically by those like cute little like I don't know which, I think it's like Alaskan. Okay, so the puppies I specifically want to be surrounded by are like those Alaskan like puppy dogs, which I think are so cute. They're so pretty. I had like a long pause there, but I was trying to think of the word. But I honestly think that those dogs are so freaking adorable. Like they have short legs and they just like stumble and fall a lot, and I'm like, yeah, that's definitely the dog I would have. That's definitely the puppies that I would love to be surrounded by. They're so fluffy, they're so cute. I really hope y'all know what I'm talking about, and if not, then that's perfectly fine because I don't think I'm describing it right. Lord, I cannot talk today. But yeah, puppies are just, you know, the cutest thing. I love puppies so much. Like if I could adopt a bunch of puppies, I definitely would. Actually, if I had other people that were gonna help me take care of puppies, most definitely, because though puppies are really cute, they are a lot to take care of. But yeah, y'all, I would say puppies would be the first baby animal that I would love to be surrounded by. The second baby animal that I would most love to be surrounded by would have to be piglets. Oh my goodness. So years ago when I was watching BuzzFeed, like the OG BuzzFeed, when they used to do like different trying videos and all of that, there was one video where it was like holding a baby pig while like having bacon, cooked bacon on the side and all that. It's basically to see if you would like eat the bacon when you held the baby pig in your hands. I think that's what the video was. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, they were just holding these cute baby pigs and I was just like, oh, that is so cute. Baby pigs are so adorable. Baby pigs are just the cutest animal. I would definitely love to have them as a pet. I know it's not like your regular dog, your regular cat, your regular fish, or something like that, like a regular quote unquote normal animal that you can have in the house, but I think pigs would genuinely be the cutest animal to have. I mean, how can you not want a pig? They're just so freaking adorable. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. I think it would genuinely make anyone's day, in all honesty, because they're just so small, cute, and they make the cutest little like oink noises. They're just, oh my goodness, they're so cute. But yeah, y'all, I would definitely have to say that piglets would be the second to baby animal that I would love to be surrounded by. The third baby animal that I would love to be surrounded by would have to be chicks, which are baby chickens. And oh, I knew that I had to add this one to my list. I've actually never held a baby chick before, but I would love to because they are so cute as well. Oh my goodness, especially like their little chirp 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 chirps, like they're just so cute. Oh my goodness, I feel like if I like held a baby chick I would actually cry, because like baby chicks is like what I see the most when I'm like watching my different television shows and all of that. Like they're just so freaking cute, and they just like waddle and walk so adorably as well. And they're like, when they're also surrounded by their mama, or like they're surrounded by like other people, like other chicks as well, it's also so adorable too. I'm just like, oh my goodness, it's just the most adorable thing ever, in my personal opinion. But yeah, I would have to say that baby chicks would be the third baby animal that I would love to be surrounded by. And finally, the last baby animal that I would love to be surrounded by are lambs, which are baby sheep. This one was kind of random. When I was like looking up other like animals to be surrounded by, I was like, none of them were catching my eye except for lambs, because I'm like, I've never actually touched a sheep. I've seen sheeps, but I've never actually like seen a lamb. And lambs are just so cute. You know, you usually see lambs in like baby you know, products, like lamb designs, and I'm like, I feel like lambs are just such an iconic baby animal to me, because we see it everywhere, like in baby products, for example. And I just think that they're so cute. So yeah, I mean, they just look very soft. They look very whatchamacallit, I would say they would be the best baby animal to play with, because they just look so sweet and they just look so kind, and they just look like the best baby animals to be around. But yeah, y'all, I would say that lambs are the fourth and last baby animal that I would love to be surrounded by. All right, you guys, so we did kind of a little makeup look, 1 2 1 2. We just did mascara, literally chapstick, so we just did the basics. But yeah, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this mini makeup look. Well, actually, it was a makeup look. And you know, yeah, so that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.